The Athirappilly Waterfalls is a nature's gift of this mountain village. It is located in Athirappilly Panchayat, the village named after these waterfalls, Chalakudi Taluk, Thrissur district, Kerala, India, on the Chalakudi river that originates from the upper reaches of the Western Ghats at the entrance to the Sholayar ranges. It is the largest waterfalls of Kerala and one of the best in India and stands tall at 80 feet. It is just a short drive to Valchal Falls, surrounded by the dense green rainforests that are home to many endangered and endemic species of flora and fauna. Athirappilly is one of the largest falls in India and is nicknamed as the Niagara of India. A controversy about a state proposed hydroelectric dam on Chalakudi River above the falls began in the year 1990 and still continues. The 145-kilometer long Chalakudi River originates in the Anamudi Mountains of the Western Ghats and merges into Periyar and continues its natural journey to the Arabian Sea. The river initially runs smoothly but becomes turbulent as it nears Athirappilly. At Athirappilly Falls, the water surges around big rocks and cascades down in three separate plumes. Below the fall, the river remains turbulent for about 1 kilometer until it reaches the downstream Kannankudi. Then it regains its calm nature and flows smoothly until reaching Tumburmuri. The forest wildlife in this area includes the Indian elephants, Indian leopards, gaur, sambar, and the lion-tailed macaco. The unique 600 feet elevation riparian forest in the Athirappilly Water area is only the location where the four South Indian species of the hornbills like the great hornbills, the state bird of Kerala, Malabar pied hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill, and the Indian grey hornbills are found. If the proposed 163 megawatt Athirappilly hydroelectric project is built, these unique birds may vanish from these forests as these areas will submerge with the hornbill habitat. Plantations in this area contains teak, bamboo and eucalyptus. Environmentalists claim that Athirappilly is a one-of-its-kind riparian ecosystem and the second most biodiverse area in the whole Kerala. The International Bird Association has declared it an important bird area, and the Asian Nature Conservation Foundation has recommended it to be declared as a sanctuary or a national park. Any disruption to this fragile ecosystem will spell disaster, they claim. This river provides habitat for 98 species of the freshwater fishes, among which almost 40 are endemic species. The nearest airport is the Cochin International Airport, which is located around 53 kilometers, and the nearest railway station is Chalakudi, which is around 30 kilometer distance from Athirappilly, and it is around 58 kilometers away from Thrissur. Athirappilly is easily reachable by bus or taxi from Chalakudi through the interstate highway that connects Tamil Nadu and Kerala, surrounded by the beautiful landscapes all around. The Athirappilly has been the mecca of filmmakers in all South Indian languages and Hindi movies for their shooting location for more than half a century. Many blockbuster movies were shot here in the recent past. The Crown Prince of Wales had made it a historical event with his presence here, which had added one more feather to the cap of this mountain village. Athirappilly had acquired a space in the world tourism map, and thousands of tourists visit this place from other states of India and abroad, as Kerala has a pleasing climate in all seasons. A strict vigil is maintained by the guards during visiting hours, as a small negligence may turn out to be fatal for the visitors. Formal barricades are built, maintaining safe distance at upper and lower sides of the fall, and vigilant guards are deployed during the day. The safety of the tourists is prioritized by the state police all around this area. Immediate action is taken in case of any emergency by the quick action team with ambulance service. The visitors are permitted from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. every day. Littering is strictly prohibited, and huge bins are placed all around to keep the area clean. The botanical names are displayed on every tree in the vicinity, which enables the tourists to know more about them. The Athirappilly Panchayat spreads into 489 square kilometers with a low population density. This area is situated almost 1000 feet above the sea level and is a scenic combination of forests and streams. The best time to visit this place is from August to May every year. One should not miss a chance to visit these places at least once in lifetime. If not, it will remain as a big loss in their life. A trip to these three mountain valleys, experiencing the cool mountain breeze, will definitely be a different feel for those who travel for the first time through this terrain.